There are cameras that have a view of this trail, but they're quite a ways farther in. I believe it's on Badger Mountain. The camera up on Tikaboo doesn't have a view of anything until somebody's actually up there. Well, it depends what camera you're talking about. There's a DRI, Desert Research Institute, weather station. There's a camera that shows the current conditions, so you can actually go to a website and see captured pictures of I believe the camera's pointed south, maybe, yeah. But there is another camera up there, courtesy of the Department of Defense, who actually funds the DRI, so there you go. As far as I know, the only two DRI weather stations that have these kind of black cameras are black as in secret cameras, are the one on Tikaboo and the one at in front of the Little Alien. So take that for what it's worth. I don't know why would they need a camera at the inn. I'm guessing they watch the comings and goings of people there. I'm going to be doing a video of I believe there is microwave link from Bald Mountain to the cell site in Rachel, and it's got a clear shot. There's a clear shot from and there's a dish there as well, pointed in that direction towards the north. There's two facilities up on Bald Mountain. There's a big one, and then there's one that I believe is northwest on that same peak. And there's a clear line of sight from the cell. Oh, here we go. From the cell site in Rachel to that facility on Bald Mountain. And then there's another similar dish at the cell site that points to one at the inn. So yeah, I'll be doing a video about that. Okay, these are new signs. Temporary closure. Yeah, I'll put the coordinates of this. Well, that's a pretty. It's metal anyway. Yeah, temporary closure area. Temporary closure area. Yeah, this is basically just a reprint of the document I saw. March 25th. Went into effect March 25th, 2026, and will remain in effect for a minimum of 1 year, or until conditions are reassessed and safe for public use. Yeah, okay. Anybody that knows better knows that's a bunch of bullshit. So yeah, Tikaboo's, I think Tikaboo's 16, and No Name is on 22, those two. But why this whole giant area? Including what appears to be where that drone went down, right about in there. But I'm going to check that out anyway. Yeah. So I got to mark these coordinates and post them so people know. So there are in fact some signs here that say basically keep out. Surprised they didn't put a. They could have put a chain across here or something. They did not. Didn't see any cameras around. know where they would feed a camera to anyway, or how they'd power it. I suppose in theory they could put a Starlink on it and have some solar panels.
If we really wanted to.
Alright, I'm going to cut off here after I've confirmed that there are signs here.
So stay tuned, more to come.